Good morning.
Good morning.
So we spent the night at the campsite in Fangamoba. We went to the pub as well and had a few beers.
Yeah.
And then it just rained the entire night and then on and off this morning.
We did get free food though at the pub.
Oh yeah, we also got
because
free food.
the power around here had been out since like 7 o'clock the night before.
Mm.
So they just had to cook the food that they had.
Yeah.
So got a nice plate of like chicken wings and
different stuff.
nice salads, which was unexpected in a pre-dinner dinner.
Yeah. So yeah, it was very rainy last night. Everything is very damp. It keeps raining on and off today.
Yeah.
But we'll see how we go. We've got the unsealed section and the Mocky Tunnel today, which is the rest of the Forgotten Highway. So we've got about an hour and a half maybe left on the Forgotten Highway to do.
Yeah.
Just over half of it. So we will do that and show you that as we go along.
Yeah. Woo-woo.
Cool.
What a view!
Pretty.
Very nice.
Gotta see it before it rains.
Yeah. We're about to get rained on. So
Tunnel. Oh. It's terrifying. Yeah. Shit tons of water. Ooh.
that's fun.
And that was the Mocky Tunnel. Terrifying. So we're in a tropical rainforest.
Yeah, I think it's the mixture of the kind of the steam coming off the ground, the height of the actual forest around it,
Yeah.
and then the palms kind of coming through with the ferns.
What's it? Taranaki.
Yeah.
We found the unsealed gravel section. Lots of potholes.
It's not too bad, it's just the potholes. The actual road's not bad. Yeah, they've got... Whoa. Only so much to do. Slightly on
It's not too long a section, I don't think.
Yeah, we've done longer.
I initially thought it was like this for the whole journey, so. So much water everywhere, all the rain. So we made it on the gravel section, and now we're out on the road the other side, but it's a lovely view. It's a very stunning drive, even if it is a bit mental in places. And everything's fallen over again, so we gotta sort them out. The rain came. We died off for a bit and then it absolutely pours. Yeah. Made it to the end. End of the Forgotten Highway.
I need a coffee.
Yes. What's at the end?
A McDonald's.
Mackey's. So we got to the end of the Forgotten Highway, and now it's really, really raining, hailing, full on thunder and lightning going on. Just want to go and get a coffee. Let's go.
I'm ready.
Go down.
Hello. So we've driven to Tahia Falls, which is also known as Gollum's Pool. There's actually two Gollum's pools based around the forbidden pool from the two towers. This one is the main shot actually of Gollum from about his level rather than the one from above. Might not get to the one from above today because despite the sun on me now, that way is definitely a bit different. So yeah, we're going to try and beat the rain. We just had to sit in the car for about 10 minutes. So if you do come here, make sure you've potentially got waterproof. But yeah, you are surrounded by mountains here, even if we can't actually see them at all. But yeah, we'll have a look at the pool and go from there.
What of the mountains is that pool?
So one of the mountains in this area is actually Mount Doom. It's the main shooting location for Mount Doom that we can't even see. So that's fun. But yeah, this is, as I say, the main pool, Gollum's pool from the two towers, and it's called Tahia Falls.
Close your eyes.
A bit of a whitewash today, literally, wet wash. But yeah, so that is the main shot. You can see, you can stand there and get a more decent shot, but I'm not going to risk it today. So this is the top of the falls, and as you can tell we've had a significant amount of rain recently, so it's really rather wet. It's a bit damp. So, climb through here, which is a bit damp, a bit muddy, and a bit wet, but not too bad. Come out and get a pretty good shot. So yeah. Normally not quite as dramatic. Gollum Falls! He goes there. So yeah, this is one of the views.
You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathing.
In theory, there's some big mountains up there. We're in Tongariro National Park, and there should be Mount here, and then Tongariro, which is also Mount Doom. There's nothing else in it.
Yeah, we cannot see them at the moment, but the wind might push past, but we're unlikely.
You cannot see that then. Well, there's some hills at least.
Yeah. So we made it to the second Gollum waterfalls, well, Gollum pool, which I'll show you is this. So this is the upper view that you get, which is stunning. And even if you're not a Lord of the Rings fan, that's a heck of a view. Really, really beautiful. Stunning though. So this bit wasn't actually used in Lord of the Rings, just the bottom bit. However, nice view. we're actually staying in the back of the Army Museum. We are allowed to, though. It's not like we're just hitching up. But yeah, we are here for one night. The bathroom's over the road, so it's not going to be the best night, but it's also just gone frigid.
It was supposed to snow.
Yeah.
And where we were going to stay, it was going to make the journey tomorrow in 4 hours, and we were going to have to deal with snow around the mountain. So this way, we're already around the mountain. It's a bit less time driving tomorrow.
Yeah, but yeah, not probably going to do much, so we'll just see you in a bit. After a long day of driving, made it to the beach. Yeah, beach. So we've come out for dinner. We're going to go to a Thai restaurant.
It's called Tuk Tuk.
Yeah, it's along the beach, which is now much further out, so it makes the walk a bit easier. But yeah, we got a nice camping spot. We got a lovely evening. Beats the rain and the hail.
Yeah, it was not very nice though.
The freezing winds. So yeah, we're going to go enjoy this and then chill out. And then tomorrow we have a new exciting thing of another house sit.
That's house sit in New Zealand.
So looking forward to that. And no doubt we'll talk you through it, show you the dog. But yeah.
David with a view.
I mean, that's a lovely sunset for the evening. Alex is a duck friend. But yeah. So we had Thai food. We both have spicy bellies. Now we are gonna go chill.